What's going on, Get Fine Gang? It's your girl Joy, and of course, I'm back with that good, okay? On this episode of Fine Fine Lemon Lime, we will be showcasing 3 cute, delicious, and fun treats that you can take to the Halloween party, okay? Of course, they're vegan, ha ha ha. And yeah, we're ready for that action, okay? Let's get to it.
We're going to start off with our Cyclops pretzel sticks, okay? You guys are going to need some white chocolate, candy eyes, and pretzel sticks. Let's go. We need to melt our chocolate, guys, so let's add some water to a skillet. In a different pot, we're going to add about 1 cup of the white chocolate chips. If you're making a modest amount of the pretzel sticks, you can use less, but the more the merrier. Pour that right in, and then you want to place that pot right in the water, okay? The pot should not be on top of the water, it should be sitting in the water. And as you can see, it immediately begins to melt the chocolate chips. Moving right along, we're going to start the dipping process, okay? You want to use a cup or a dish that's going to allow you to really dip the sticks in. As you can see, it's on there. Bloop. And let's try it again. Show you this process. It's easier to get the chocolate on there when you wiggle it around a little. Here is where our pretzel sticks are really going to shine. We're going to use these candy eyeballs to bring that Cyclops effect to life, okay? So you just want the chocolate to be a little wet so that you can lodge these things right in there. Just bloop, place them right in there. Next, we're going to use this decorating gel to give our Cyclops a little more personality, okay? We're going to draw some mouths on these sticks. Okay, you can do smiles, you can do frowns, you can do a line, whatever you want. Just get creative and bring these Cyclops to life. Voila, there you have it, guys, our Cyclops pretzel sticks. You want to place these in the freezer for about 20 minutes and they'll be all ready to go. Next up, we're going to be making our chocolate covered spiders, guys. We're going to need some pretzels, some dark chocolate chips, peanut butter, and for garnishing, sea salt and pecans. Let's go. We're going to start off with the body of the spider, okay? We're going to use 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Please get your handy dandy second spoon because you don't want to play with the sticky nicky peanut butter, okay? You do not want that all over your hands. So let's get the tablespoon and the handy dandy second spoon and let's scoop it out. Okay, guys, so we want to add to the body yaddy of these spiders. We want to place the pretzels right in the middle, bloop bloop bloop, and then put them in the freezer.
So what we're going to do here is take some of these pretzel sticks, break them in half. And the half that's broken, you just want to squeeze that thing right in there, like such. Give you that spider effect. Okay, guys, and that's what it'll look like. Cute little spiders, and we're gonna put them back in the freezer so that they can harden up a little bit before we coat them with the chocolate. Okay, guys, so for these peanut butter spiders, we're going to use 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. We're going to add those chocolate chips to the water and begin to stir. As you can see, they immediately begin to melt. And this is what it'll begin to look like once it's all melted. Okay, guys, now that we have the cute little spiders a little bit more frozen, we're going to pick them up and place them inside of the melted chocolate like such. Face down, get it nice and submerged. I'm going to sprinkle some more chocolate on the back side. Get it nice and coated. Okay. Let's get it back. Once you have the spiders coated in chocolate, you just want to add a little sea salt while it's still wet. That's going to set you apart. And then we also want to add some pecans all over the body so you can add that flavor profile.
Come on now. Come on now. Let's get into these cuties. Moving right along, guys. Let's get into these ghost chocolate cupcakes. That's all I gotta say. Let's get the party started.
The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we're going to want to start out by creating our vegan buttermilk. You're going to need the nut milk of your choice. I like to use almond. I'm going to use 1 cup of that. Alright, pour that right in. And then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, put that in, give it a little whisk. And then you want to sit that to the side for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to be combining our dry ingredients. We're going to start off with 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cacao powder, and then we also have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to be combining that good old vegan buttermilk that we made earlier with half a cup of coconut oil, melted coconut oil. Just going to go ahead and pour it over here. We're also going to be combining 3/4 cup of sugar. Start mixing that up real nice and cute. And we also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Moving right along, guys, we're going to be adding the wet mixture to the dry mixture, okay? Just going to add that in. Combine it well. So what you're going to need is 1 stick of butter at room temperature. Okay. And then we're going to need a hand mixer. I'm just going to gently start getting this together. And we're going to add in about half a teaspoon of vanilla. Just a little bloop. Bloop. That might be 1 teaspoon, but I mean, you can't go wrong with vanilla, right? And then we just want to get it back started again. Now we're going to slowly sift in approximately 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, and we're going to do it half a cup at a time. You'll see that the frosting is beginning to get a little thick. She's getting a little thick. So to offset that, we will add in 1 tablespoon of the nut milk of your choice. Right now I'm using oat milk. And I'm going to get back in here. Go ahead. Put it in there. See, put it down to the corner. We're gonna clip that, and we'll be ready to give it that action. That wraps up everything. Listen, I need all the party invites. I need all of them, because I need to see y'all tear up like this. Okay? Let me just lean for y'all a little bit. Ah! Listen, it's the spiders for me. Huh? It's the little cupcake for me. Huh? It's the Cyclops pretzel stick for me. I know this is supposed to be a Halloween tree, but it's giving me Christmas because this a gift. This a gift. That's crazy. Make sure y'all make this for y'all Halloween parties. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving face. It's giving taste. That's it. That's all I got for y'all. Until next time, y'all know where to find me. I'm out.